Say hi, Molly. Pet her. Say, come here. That's the collar. Say, here, kitty. Say, here, Molly. Oh, did you give her kisses? Say, here, Molly. Say, here, kitty. Oh, nasty. Too many toys, huh? Say, here, kitty. Say, come here, Molly. You can't get under there. The cat's a little bit smaller than you. Go get her. Okay, go get her. Molly, where'd she go? Right there? She's behind your tent? There she is. So here, Molly. Want to let her out the door? Should we let her out the door? Woo, you're fast. Aww. You want to let her out the door? Huh? Get Mommy let her out. Say hi, Molly. Pet her hair. Pet her head. Say hi, kitty, kitty. Oh. Hi, kitty. Want to pet her? Say hi, kitty. Pet her head. Pet her. Oh. Nice. Just give you nice kisses. Say hi, Molly. Oh, bless you. Be nice. Say hi, Molly. Nice. Is she nice? Oh, look.